Hi everyone, in today's video I thought I would show you our Disney ears collection. We're going to start with the very first one we bought for my daughter when she was, I think, like a little over 3 years old. Aren't these the cutest thing ever? I just love them, and they've held up pretty well. I mean, they're almost 10 years old now. Love them. All right, the next one we're going to show you are the ones she picked out. These are the classic sparkly ears. So when she got a little older, had to do the mini sparkly. Love these. We bought these in Disney World. Love those. The next one of her favorite ones, like especially when she was very into princesses. Not quite the bride one, but pretty veil, little, see, you can tell it's been well loved. Also bought these in Disney World. Love those. And then of course, these, you probably all recognize these or tried to get them if you haven't already. The rose gold ones. I bought these for her last year or the year before, I think.
No, we found them at Animal Kingdom. One day we had gotten there early.
We bought them last year. She's helping me out behind the scenes today. We bought them last year at Animal Kingdom, and we had seen them. When I had first seen them, they were really hard to get, and then last year we were able to find them. Then my last agent trip, we had been able to go to the Christmas party, and we were very lucky. Everybody had been given these really pretty Christmas ears. I love the little, if you can see the little detail of the holly on the ears, how cute. So Christmas ears. So then when I was there for the Christmas party, I of course had to get these for my daughter. We ended up doing a Christmas cruise, like for Christmas vacation last year in 2018, and
it was quite fun.
It was pretty amazing. I don't know if you can see these, but look at how fun those are. They light up. Like, I love these. Those were pretty awesome if you had a Christmas party. So to go with the light up theme, a couple years ago we went to Disney to do the Star Wars 5K as a family. We were walking around Hollywood Studios.
After the fact.
After, of course, we had done the race, but these also light up. We saw a few people running in the road race with these, and we were like, wonder where we got them. Then the next day we saw them at Hollywood Studios. I am sure next year with the, or later on this year with Star Wars Land opening, you will find amazing Star Wars merchandise, ears included. So all of those I have showed you, I have bought at Disney World. Then when
you forgot these.
Oh, my last one, my daughter loved Maleficent. When that movie came out with Angelina Jolie, we loved it. But how cool are those ears? So to go with the other Star Wars ears, when we did the 5K, I love BB-8. So I had a cute tank top that was a BB-8 tank top with a cute BB-8 skirt. And then I found these on Etsy. How fun are those? And they have them on both sides. If I can find the Etsy account that I bought these for, I will link them down below. I love the BB-8 ears. And so we're all big Moana fans in our family.
You're a big Moana fan.
I am the biggest Moana fan. But
last year, I like it because Lin-Manuel Miranda's in it.
Last year, when we did a family trip to the Polynesian, I was like, these are going to be perfect to stay at the Polynesian. How fun are those? Love those. These are also, I also purchased these on Etsy, and if I can find the account, I will link those below. Love a good Etsy ear. Then, now, I love a good sparkle. We love a good Dole Whip. Put them together, and how fun are these? I know with the reflection, it's a little hard, but love the sparkly pineapple. I think I still remember this Etsy account. They have some really cute Starbucks ones too. If I can find it, I'll link it below. And then my daughter, one of her favorite characters, Stitch. We bought these 2 years ago when we did the Star Wars race. She ended up dressing up as Stitch and had a cute skirt, cute blue top, and then these ears. And then after the road race, we went to Ohana for Leo's Lilo and Stitch breakfast, got to meet Stitch. Such a cute character interaction. So leave a comment below. What are your favorite ears? Do you have a favorite Etsy account you go to? Do you have a favorite Disney ear? Let me know. We love a good ear. Also, thank you for subscribing, giving the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Thanks.